In this video, we show exactly all the steps that you need to take in order to start your own digital marketing agency in 2019 or 20. And just remember that digital marketing agency is the same as social media marketing agency. And this is one of the best business model ever because you can pretty much work from home. You can create an office, you can work from home, you can work from the bar, you can do whatever you want. And if you are young, it's a big advantage. It's not something that is maybe seen as bad, because if you go out in the marketplace and you see that you are young, that you have just few years of experience, people will look at you as you don't know anything. But in social media and internet and online marketing, if you are young, it's something better, because I trust more a 20 years old with maybe 5-year experience than a 30 or 50 years old with a 5-year experience, because I know that young people are better with technology and new stuff. And even if you like to travel the world, you can travel different cities, different countries, and find clients there and work from your home and just connect with other people just around the planet. It's amazing that you can go out, find businesses, maybe when you are in holiday, find local businesses, tell them what you do, and maybe if they are interested, you can maybe go and do a work travel there maybe once or twice a year. So you travel the world, you make money, and you work from home. This for me is one of the best business model ever. And I have my own social media marketing agency now from 1.5 years, and it's growing. I'm making good money. Now I have my own office, so I am more focused, and my next step, it will be expand with a team of people and really go to the next level with my agency. But in this video, we'll show you exactly the steps that you need to take in order to start your digital marketing agency, because it's not easy to start, and a lot of people don't know exactly where to start. Maybe they have a lot of motivation, they know that there is the right business model for them, but they don't know how to start. And here I will give you exactly all the information that you need. The thing number one that you need to do in order to start your agency is to learn the skills. Learn the skills that you need, because without skills you have no service to provide to your clients, and you will have 0 people that pays you for your services. And there are 2 main ways on how you can learn the skills. The first one, the main one, is buy a course. Invest that $1,000 and buy a course where it's everything there. It's complete with all information that you need. I have done this. I have bought the Tai Lopez Social Media Marketing Agency course, and I found a ton of good information there, how to do Facebook ads, all the tips on how to get clients, how to manage the company, how to create the company. Yes, I am in Switzerland and not USA, so for me it's a little bit different. But I found all the steps and information that was useful to create and start my own agency. And yes, there are some good information also on YouTube for free, but it's not the same, because you don't know if they work 100%. You don't know if it's the best way maybe to get that client, and you will waste a ton of time just researching through the content, because maybe if you look to 10 videos, just maybe 2 or 3 are valuable. But if you buy a course, you are sure 100% that every topic, every video is valuable and it's something good for your business. And at the end, this is a business that requires just few $1,000s to start. And I don't know a lot of businesses with this growth potential that cost you just $1,000 or $2,000 to start. So once you have decided if go for a course or if go for YouTube, there are some skills that you need to learn. The first one is Facebook ads. Facebook ads is really important because you need to drive traffic to websites, to apps, to events, because you will contact people that have real companies and real businesses, and they want to make money. And in order them to make money, you need to drive them a lot of traffic and create a good result for them. So Facebook ad is the first skill that you need to learn. The second one is social media. You need to learn basic social media, how to post, when to post, what type of post goes better, how to create the graphics and the content maybe with Photoshop or maybe with Canva.com. It's another app for free that you can create content online, and you need to create some models and to really train yourself to create good content, because you cannot go in front of a client and maybe show them just a picture without edit, because they see that they can do it themselves, or maybe just another common person can do it. But if you provide a really good value through a picture with a good design, and you don't need to be a design expert or some other stuff, you just need to learn the skill and manage this platform in the right way. And then you need to learn how to grow a social media, how Instagram, YouTube, Facebook works, how the algorithm works. And also, you don't need to be a super expert at the beginning. You just need some basic. For example, I am not a super expert, but I can give you results a lot better from other people or from yourself. And this is what people are looking for. People are looking for something better, something that stands out. And as I said before, social media, it's a great skill to learn. So make sure to know all the details about every platform. So when a client maybe give you a question about the social media or some topic, you will be really confident and tell them the answer. And then you need to learn how to create a website. And this can be a little bit difficult because it involves coding and it involves design and all this function that it can be really hard. Because I am a computer scientist and I found that building some type of website can be really hard with coding and some other stuff, because then clients will maybe ask you for special stuff, for example a special newsletter or something for the shipping of the product that is really difficult. But here come into place the team or the outsourcing, because if you have maybe all the stuff around social media, you can do it by yourself. But maybe if a client wants to create a website, you just partner with another person that know how to create the website, and maybe you tell them, okay, I can give you $1,000 to create that website, and you sell the website for $1,000 plus 500 to the client. So you have your commission, and you know that the website is from a professional. And the same thing is for other stuff. If you are not good with graphic, or if maybe you don't want to learn Facebook ads, you can partner with other people, create a team, but then there will be less money for you. Just understand that at the beginning it's better if you learn the skill, so you have all the money for you and you don't waste time to meet new people, to create collaboration, because maybe sometimes the people that you work with are not the best, and maybe they can scam you, or they can simply not do what you want. So at the beginning it's really important that you learn pretty much everything. And if you don't know or don't want to create a website, just make sure maybe that you tell to people, okay, I just focus on the marketing side and not on the website creation, but I have other companies that know how to create the best website. And then the next step is to open your company legally. Now, I don't know if you maybe want a LLC in USA or if you live in other countries. Just make sure to ask to other business owners how you can open your own company. I have done the same. Here in Switzerland it's a little bit different. There are different types, but for me it costed just around $200 to start my basic company. And since I don't need a great investment, there is no risk involved, and I'm able to just do the basic level of company here in Switzerland. And it depends on your country, but make sure to create your own company so you are legally okay. And also when you go in front of a client and you say that you have your own registered company, you gain a ton of credibility, because a lot of people ask me if my company is registered or if my company is a legit company, and I always say yes. And even if they go online or on the register and search, they will find my company with all my information. So they are sure 100% that I am a legit company. And this is really good for reputation and for credibility. And you need to do the same too, even if it costs you some money, but it's a good way to start your business in the right way and really approaching to people in a professional and serious way. The next step, when you know all the skills, when you have your company and you are pretty much ready to go out in the marketplace and find your first clients, you need to go pretty much knock doors, go into business, from business to business, and ask them if they want your services for free. Yes, I have said for free. If you grow and manage social media, or if you do some Facebook ads, just make sure to do maybe your first 3 or 5 clients for free. Don't charge them anything, because you can get the result from there. They are like a test for you. You don't know how to do it really good, or maybe you don't know how to approach them. So, for example, you will manage their website for 1 month completely for free. So they will have more attention, more people that look at them, but they will not spend anything. So by doing this, they are more likely to do this business service with you. And then maybe you are thinking that you earn nothing. No, just wait. You can earn a testimonial from a real business owner that tells that your services are great and really improved their sales. And this is amazing, because when you will go in front of other clients that will pay you money, you will see that they appreciate to see that other people found useful your services. And then the second way that you can earn from that client is that if a client has a great result with you, with your work, maybe with 1 month of social media managing, you will see that they will continue this service for you, because they have seen that this service works and brings them a lot of money. So you will pretty much continuously work with that client, but just the first month it's free, and then you charge them for your services as business works. But if you are not confident to go in front of business owner, it's because you are not ready. So make sure to have your own website. Just go online, create a website, and start driving traffic to your own website. I've had a dropshipping website, for example, where I tested a ton of Facebook ads, a ton of e-commerce stuff, and I've been able to just create into my mind the right framework on how Facebook ads, how online marketing works. So now when I go in front of a client and they ask me to create some Facebook ads for their online shop, I am able to do it without thinking, without problem, and without stress, because I have done it tons and tons of time. And yes, I don't want to say wasted, but I have invested thousands of dollars in just Facebook ads. But this is an investment, because now I am able to go in front of a client, say that I have invested thousands of dollars, and say that I am able to do it without problems, and the clients will trust me more. So once you have some testimonials, 3 to 5, then it's time to expand and really find a ton of clients around your area. And there are a lot of ways. For example, it can be Facebook or Google Ads. It can be a great way to get clients. For me, Google Ads here in Switzerland is the best way, where I post Google Ads, and a lot of clients contact me from there. And in the next month, I think I will push really hard on Google Ads. And then there is Facebook ads, there is social media, because if you are a social media marketing agency, it's good to have your page on social media and have a great website. And then it can be just simple word of mouth. I have been able to create a ton of clients just by word of mouth. People that speak about me and speak about their experience and simply speak about my services. And you can also get clients by cold calling. This is hard to do it, and just recently I am able to do it with good results. And if you're asking how you can cold call clients in the best way to earn their respect and earn their money, watch this next video right here, because I share you all my secrets about cold calling businesses for your social media marketing agency. I see you there.